Attention, Cecil County citizens. This is a public service announcement on digital citizenship by Dana Alexander. Before you sit down to use your device, keep these important rules to protect yourself as well as others in mind. Remember these tips. Sit. Stay safe. Inform yourself about acceptable use policies. Think before you type. Here is Cecil County's ALP, Acceptable Use Policy, that was developed to keep all users safe from the following. The purpose of this. This is intended to promote the safe, productive, and instructionally sound use of networked information and communication tools while protecting the well-being of students, employees, and Cecil County Public Schools. Technology is ever-changing. A digital citizen is responsible. They use technology for instructional-related purposes. They respect others. They apply cyberbullying practices. They respect others' property. They protect the network. Since millions of people use the internet daily, it is important to know the effects that your words have on others. The fact is, approximately 34% of students report experiencing cyberbullying during their lifetime, and 15% of students admit to being the ones who are doing the bullying. Be the change. Stand up for what you know is right. Sit before you act. Netiquette involves how you communicate and respond with others online. For instance, using all capital letters can be misconstrued as angry or violent by the reader, which may not have been your intent. Also, it is best not to have private conversations that share your personal information because it's very easy for others to learn about you and your whereabouts. You may be wondering, what's Cecil County's acceptable use policy mean for you? Well, it's basically a set of guidelines, and if you don't follow them, then there's consequences. You may have your access denied, revoked, modified, or even suspended. Misuse may be subject to further disciplinary action. Any violation of federal, state, or local laws will be reported to the appropriate agencies. So as you can see, it's super important that you know about your school's ALP. And since you are watching this, you are a member of Cecil County. You can find out more all about this if you visit your student handbook. It will lay everything out in more detail that you need to know so you can be safe online. And remember to sit before you get on your device. Stay safe. Inform yourself about acceptable use policies. Think before you type. I hope you enjoyed this public service announcement. Remember to visit your handbook to learn more about Cecil County's acceptable use policies.